I'm not going anywhere.
Shut them off. I got all 4 of them on the berm.
Give me the keys.
No. No, it isn't smoking. Mary, who's your buddy? It's still going.
He's not my buddy.
Who is he?
We all just messed it up.
Okay, who is he?
Look, I can show you. We just all messed it up.
Okay.
The only person I know
We're
here is
for a ride.
Yeah, probably. Can you call what's his name? Yeah. Alright.